TTR also stands for Taiwhanga Rangatahi. That's a junior design group that we have created with some rangatahi. So what we're doing here today, we're doing a level up workshop from our last one. So our last one we created all these ideas with all these other people. So today we've got the ideas that we've clammed all together, and now we're sharing it out and see if we can get some more improvements on this. So our last workshop was here. So the workshop we're doing today was here. So we're just leveling that up.
So we're here today to, I guess, explore opportunities of working with rangatahi and exploring opportunities for career pathways and how do we improve access for young people, particularly in South Auckland.
I'm here today because I would really love to see more diversity in the career that I'm in sustainability and environmental engineering and science and geospatial services. And I think that for rangatahi being kaitiaki of Te Taio in Aotearoa is so vital and motivating, gives a whole heap of purpose and meaning to life. And I think it's really important for people to reclaim that space that was theirs and is theirs.
Kura, I'm Keith. I'm here because I wanted to learn a little bit more about what was going on. I've been working on some similar programs trying to encourage rangatahi to explore STEM careers, so I wanted to get some more ideas.
As a big New Zealand employer of technology talent, we've got about 3,500 people here in New Zealand. We care very deeply about the next wave of talent and making sure that we've got a sustainable future generation that's interested in getting into the technology space. So we've got a deep interest in making that happen and making that really interesting as well.
What stood out is that people actually want to make a change and make a difference, that to change how school is for young Pacific students.
The first time I was here for the first meeting that we had last year, it was really inspiring because I love talking about my experiences in school, and just to come back here and share a round of people and find solutions to our problems was really nice.
The thing that stood out to me today was the Camp du Futur. It really spoke to me, how it involves classes with culture and everything, and it brings it more fun to the class, to the boring classes like math and science.
What stood out for me today is actually getting all the ideas from the rangatahi and creating ideas together makes a huge difference in terms of what's going to actually work.
What stood out to me today was the way the space was held, the way it was facilitated, the smiles, the laughter, the joy, and all of the incredible ideas, and also the way rangatahi came forward and led and didn't expect anyone else to take the lead, and it was very motivating and empowering to see.
What I'm going to take away from today is the power of actually engaging with rangatahi and creating the space, the safe space for them to come in and help us explore, and letting them show the way instead of people trying to come up with ideas and enforcing it on them. So that's a really key takeaway for me today.